I'm going to go in here and see if Corey's got a second to talk. Corey, you got a minute?
Yeah. What are we doing?
The people want to know.
Okay, what we got?
The people want to know about repairs. What's the repair process?
So, as in questions that we're getting asked of what repairs we do?
Repairs that we do. What's the process? How does it happen? Somebody, as soon as they walk in the door.
So, speaking on repairs, that's a broad subject, but we repair every brand of vacuum cleaner made today. Whether it be box store brands, high-end brands, and the cheap stick brands, we can work on them. And as far as ship-in services, we have vacuum shipped in all over the country every day that are shipped to us. We sanitize, clean them, repair them as needed, and then they're right back out of the door to the customer. Average turnaround time on repairs, 1 to 3 days. We keep everything in stock typically. So, like I said, repairs is a broad spectrum. Do you want any more like in-depth details that you were looking for? Okay, so that's the broad spectrum. We repair everything in floor care, from large commercial ride-on machines down to the $69 box store brand machines. We can take care of it. It just depends on, with those lower end brands, sometimes the repair can succeed in a way, if you want to word it that way, of what you would pay for the product to start with. And that's why they price them like that. But again, repairing it keeps it out of a landfill.
You typically see more repairs in the wintertime or in the fall, considering we're about to go into fall?
Speaking on business waves, we are ramping up for a busier season. Summers are typically, let's say, a little quieter for us. Everybody's traveling, beaching, family vacations. And then once, back to school kicks in, the Labor Day holidays over and done, everybody's back at home. And yes, we do see a surge in business. Can tick up a little bit on our repair days, but for the most part, we still average 1 to 3 days.
What about business going into the fall and the winter months?
As in a sales volume wise or overall business? It's typically again it's busier for us. We've got the holidays coming up. A lot of people buy meaningful, let's say, gifts now, and yes, people give vacuum cleaners as gifts because again, that's a thing. Then product is going to be with whoever the receiver is for 20 plus years. So yes, we do see a large increase in business, especially, let's say, the end of this month and through spring of next year. Yeah.
What's the best selling stick vacuum on the market?
If you want the best stick vacuum money can buy, budget is not an option. You want something that's going to be a repairable product, that could only be the Miele Triflex. There's a broad range of models within that line, but that would be the Triflex Pro. We keep those in stock, but that would be the best stick vacuum that money could buy.
Well, there you have it, folks. Corey, the CEO of Clean,
Yes,
has spoken.
Well, that was a very impromptu video.
Thank you. Send us your questions. Comment on the videos. Send us DMs.
Let's do it.